So guys, for the first method, you want to head it with search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to make sure that your network adapter is actually enabled. So you want to find your network adapter, yours is going to be saying like Realtek on it. Once you find it, make sure that you have it actually enabled. In my case, my network adapter has been disabled, so I'm going to enable it now. So I'm going to right click on it and then click on enable. Make sure that your network adapter has been enabled. If your network adapter is already enabled, then for the second method, we're now going to double click on our network adapter and then click on properties and then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Make sure that you have the default options selected. So obtain the IP address automatically, make sure that you have this selected, and make sure that you have obtain DNS server address automatically selected as well. Just keep this on the default options and then click on OK. See if that works for you. For the next method, you're going to head it with search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. Now you're going to find network and internet. Click on run. And now this will come up. If it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. For the last method, you want to head it with search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click on enter. And now you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset. Click on enter again. Now you just want to restart your computer. And then this should now fix your problem.